Over here a little bit. Car coming. Our neighbor. I'm just gonna go at my own speed, at least today. Let's see. Share. Hang on just a moment. News feed. Hey. Okay, I'm here. Hey, Denise. Waiting to get my... You still wrapping presents, girl? Better get on that. Hey, Najuma. I will see you in Helen. Because we're actually going to be driving down there. Me and my husband. Let's see. Let me turn this up. There we go. Okay. Yeah. It's actually like 56 degrees or so here. Kind of cloudy. Kind of do a 360 sort of. Oh, we got 12 watching. Good. Really dog fart. I want to keep this clean. Who else is here? Got 7 watching currently. There we go. Okay. As I was saying, it was 56 degrees or so. Got rain coming in tonight and probably most of tomorrow. Cloudy, but still kind of bright. The sun is still up. Let me change the camera. See, there's the sun. Turn that back around. I think I saw a wave in there. They must be having their Christmas. Well, I kind of removed them, I think. If I can figure out how to do that, Denise, I'd make you a